பதிவு உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம். வாழ்க வையகத்து.
Vanakkam. Welcome to our Redal Academy YouTube channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about Biology NTA Model Paper 4. This question paper we are going to discuss directly from NTA app. Let us discuss the questions one by one. Question number 1. The plasma resembles in its composition to the filtrate produced by the glomerulus except for the presence of. So for this question there are 4 options are given. The correct option is 4 proteins. Question number 2. Which of the following has the maximum water potential? For this question the answer is pure water. Option 1. Question number 3. Introduction of food plants developed by genetic engineering is not desirable because. Here there are 4 options are given. From that the correct one is 4th option. Transgenic food may cause toxicity and allergy in human beings, and the bacteria present in the alimentary canal may become resistant to antibiotics by taking up the antibiotic resistant gene that is present in genetically modified food. So the correct option is 4. Question number 4. An institution where valuable plant material likely to become irretrievably lost in the wild or cultivation is preserved in a viable condition is known as. Correct option is 4. Gene bank. Question number 5. Certain species of wasps are seen to frequently visit flowering fig trees. So the interaction between them is called as. This question, the answer is mutualism. The correct option is 2. Question number 6. Identify the incorrect statement from the following with reference to lactopron. For this question, answer is the structural gene Z code for beta galactosidose, Y for transacetylase, and A for permease. So the right option is 4. Question number 7. A sugary solution is changed to vinegar by the action of. The answer is Acetobacter aceti. Option 2 is the correct answer for this question. So this bacteria can convert sugar solution into vinegar. Question number 8. Which one engulf pathogens rapidly? So here there are 4 options are given. So option 4 is correct one. Neutrophils. So neutrophils only engulf pathogens rapidly. Question number 9. The first event in photosynthesis is. So here there are given 4 events. The first event during photosynthesis is photoexcitation of chlorophyll and ejection of electrons. Option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Question number 10. Choose the correct statement from the following. There are 4 statements are given. From the given 4 statement, the correct statement is dioecious organisms are seen in both plants and animals. So the correct option is 3. 11. Antibodies are synthesized by. The answer is lymphocyte. Option 2. Myelinated nerve fibers are white colored because of. So nerve fibers are white colored because of the presence of myelin sheath. The correct option is 3. Number 13. The capacity of an environment to pull on a limited number of individuals is known as. Answer is carrying capacity. Option 4. Question number 14. Anabolism is an. The answer is endergonic process. Anabolism is a endergonic process. The correct option is 1. Question number 15. Seminal plasma in human males is rich in. The answer is fructose and calcium. Option 4. Seminal plasma contain more fructose and calcium. Question number 16. Which is correct about mechanism of hormone action in humans? So there are 4 options are given. From that, third one is correct option. In females, follicle stimulating hormones first bind with specific receptors on follicular cell membrane. So this is the correct answer for this question. Option 3. Question number 17. Which one of the following is not a plant-like protist? The answer is slime mold. Option 4. It is not a plant-like protist. The answer is slime mold. Question number 18. In order to obtain virus-free plants through tissue culture, the best method is? The answer is meristem culture. Through meristem culture, we can able to produce virus-free plants. The correct option is 3. Question number 19. The characteristics feature that can be exclusively seen in angiosperm is? The answer is fruits. Fruits can able to see only in angiosperms. Because of in angiosperms, ovule enclosed by ovary. After fertilization, ovary develops into fruits. So the correct option is 2. Question number 20. Eustachian canal connects. The answer is mid with pharynx. So the correct option is 4. Question number 21. The ratio between two carbon. Question number 21. The ratio between second carbon and third carbon intermediates having NH2 group formed in photosynthetic oxidation cycle is? The answer is 2:1. The correct option is 2. But 22. Some common marine fishes are the mackerel, pomfrets, all of these. So the correct option is 4. 3. Smooth muscles are? The answer is smooth muscles are involuntary, fusiform and non-striated. So the correct option is 1. Question number 24. Enzymes that catalyze the transfer of molecules except hydrogen, oxygen and electron are called as? The answer is transferases. The correct option is 4. Question number 25. Arbani cranthi is a new variety of Abelmoschus esculentus having resistance to? The answer is yellow mosaic virus. Resistant to yellow mosaic virus. The correct option is 3. 26. Study the mRNA segment given above, which is to be completely translated into polypeptide chain. The codon for A and B are? So here the genetic codes are given. From that, the correctly matched genetic code is option 3. A, AUG, B, UAG. AUG, UAG. It is correctly matched with that pair. Question number 27. Result of light reaction is? The answer is ATP and NADPH2 formation takes place during light reaction. So the correct option is 3. Question number 28. An extra chromosomal self-replicating part of cell that has proven to be boon to biotechnology is? The answer is plasmids. Plasmids are extracircular DNA found in the cytoplasm of bacterial cell. It is very much used in the field of recombinant DNA technology as well as biotechnology. So the correct option is 4. Question number 29. The theory of natural selection that explains the appearance of new forms of life on earth was given by? The answer is Darwin. So the option 4 is correct one. Anxiety and eating spicy food together in an otherwise normal human may lead to. The answer is indigestion. So problem takes place. So the correct option is 1. Question number 31. The action of vaginal diaphragm is. The answer is to prevent the sperm to come in contact with ova. So the correct option is 2. 32. A colorblind girl is rare because she will be born only when the condition is her father and maternal grandfather were colorblind. So the correct option is 2. Question number 33. Bacillus thuringiensis is good. It is used as biopesticide. So the correct option is 2. Bacillus. The reason for the population explosion in the world is. The answer is both 1 and 2 due to increase in birth rate, decrease in death rate. So the correct option is 3. Question number 35. Which one of the following cell organelles are enclosed by single membrane? So here there are 4 cell organelles are given. From that, lysosomes are correct answer. As of lysosomes enclosed by single membrane. So the correct option is 3. Question number 36. Which one of the following cells is round and biconcave in shape? So the answer is RBC. RBCs are round and biconcave in shape. It is non-nucleated. So the correct option is 2. Question number 37. Diabetes insipidus is caused due to the deficiency of. The answer is ADH, antidiuretic hormone. So the correct option is 2. Question number 38. Chipko movement was launched for the protection of. The answer is forest. It is a kind of movement launched to protect forest trees. So the correct option is 1. All are features of entomophilous flowers except. The answer is versatile stamens. Here there are 4 options are given. From that, versatile stamens are the features of entomophilous flowers. So the correct option is 2. Question number 40. Secondary sewage treatment is mainly it is otherwise called as biological process. So the correct option is 4. In which contraceptive method the semen will be without sperms? So the vasectomy. The correct option is 4. Question number 42. The total number of teeth which comes only once in a lifetime is. So the 12. Option 4 is the correct answer for this question. So totally there are 12 teeth appear only once in our lifetime. Such kind of teeth are called as monopyodont. Question number 43. When snap eat all along the chromosome, the cell is said to have entered a stage called. So the answer is pactin stage. So the correct option is 2. Question number 44. Which section of lung is directly involved in oxygen or carbon dioxide exchange between air and blood capillary? The answer is alveoli. So only carry out the exchange of gases. It provides surface area for gaseous exchange. The correct sequence of cytochromes in electron transport chain is, so here given the sequential order, from that he has to find out the correct sequence. The correct sequence is cytochrome B, C1, C, A and A3. Option 2 is the correct option for this question. Question number 46. Match the following. Match the column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option. So here there are 4 columns are given. From that correctly matched option is option 1 is A. Paeopiceae is paired with 3, matched with 3. Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria. Examples for Paeopiceae. Brown algae. Rhodopiceae, otherwise called as red algae. The members of red algae are Polycyponia, Porphyra, Gracilaria. Then C. Mosses. Mosses example Funaria, Polytrichum, Sphagnum. Pteridophytes example Equisetum, Xylotum and Teres. So the correct option is 1. In the TCA cycle, FADH2 is formed during. The answer is conversion of succinate to fumarate. So the correct option is 3. Select the correct answers regarding the phase of meiosis and their respective events using the list given below. So here given list 1 and list 2. From that they asked to find out the correct events. For this question, the correct one is option 3. Option 3, 1 is correct, 2nd and 3rd are false from the given list regarding meiosis. Bryophytes differ from pteridophytes in. The answer is due to the absence of vascular tissues. So the correct option is 4. In bryophytes, vascular tissues are not present, but in pteridophytes, vascular tissues are present. That's why pteridophytes are otherwise called as vascular cryptogams. Question number 50. For the enzyme enolase, the substrate is. So the answer is fumaric acid. So, question number 51. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Here there are 4 statements are given. From that they asked to find out incorrect statement. Out of 4 statements, third one is incorrect. To initiate flowering, LDP must, that is long day plants must be exposed to light for a period less than critical duration. So that is the wrong statement from these 4 statements. So the correct the answer for this question is 3. Question number 52. When a neuron is resting state, not conducting any impulse, the axonal membrane is. For this question, the answer is comparatively more permeable to potassium ions and nearly impermeable to sodium ions. During when the neurons are not conducting any impulse, during that time potassium ions are in permeable condition, sodium ions are in impermeable condition. So the correct option is 4. In gymnosperms like Pinus and Zygus, the endosperm is. The answer is haploid. Except angiosperm is in haploid condition, but in angiosperms it is in triploid condition. So the correct option is 2. Question number 54. Which of the following 2 out of 4 statements are incorrect? Here there are 4 statements are given. From that he has to find out 2 incorrect statement. From that they are given statement A and B are incorrectly. So the option 4. Refer the following diagram and identify the labeled parts of kidney as indicated. So here they asked to find out the parts of kidney as labeled A, B, C, D, E. So here they are given the 4 options. From that, the correctly matched one is option D. Is A represent nephron, B represent cortex, C medulla, D renal pelvis, E uterus. So the correct option is 4. Question number 56. Which of the following is naturally occurring growth inhibitor? So the is generally called as abscisic acid. It is a naturally occurring growth inhibitor. So the correct option is 2. Question number 57. Gel electrophoresis is used for. The answer is separation of DNA fragments according to their size. Gel electrophoresis is generally used to separate DNA fragments according to their size. So the correct option is 2. Question number 58. An ecosystem which can be easily damaged but can recover after some time if damaging effect stops will be having. For this question, the answer is low stability and high resilience. So the correct option is A. In bioluminescence, stored energy changes into. The answer is chilled ethanol. Energy changes into light energy. So the correct option is 1. Question number 60. During isolation of DNA, addition causes precipitation of purified DNA. The answer is chilled ethanol is added to precipitate purified DNA. So the correct option is 1. Question number 61. Protistan genome mass. Membrane-bound nucleoproteins embedded in cytoplasm. So the correct option is 4. Question number 62. Which of the following ecological pyramids can be inverted? There are 3 types of pyramids are given. From that, which of the third? So the answer is only B and C are inverted. Is pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass are inverted. So the correct option is 3. Question number 63. During oxygen transport, the oxyhemoglobin at tissue level liberates oxygen to the cells because. The answer is oxygen tension is low, carbon dioxide tension is high. So due to this reason only, tissue level liberates oxygen to the cells. The correct option is 3. Question number 64. In rainy season, does get swelled due to the process imbibition. Dose can uptake water molecule. As a result, it becomes swollen. This process is generally called as imbibition. So the correct option is A. Question number 65. The function of companion cells. Function is load sucrose into sieve elements by active transport method. So the correct option is D. Question number 66. A plant leaf is found to have bundle sheath cells having large sized chloroplast full of starch granules. Which of the following characteristics can be observed in the plant? Here there are 6 statements are given for this. From that, second, third and fifth statements are correct. Second are correct. So the correct option is 4. It's not caused by the deficiency of minerals. The answer is etiolation. This is one of the problem taken place in plants. This is not related to the deficiency of any mineral element. So the correct option is 2. Question number 68. Genetic dwarfness in plants can be resolved by, the answer is higher endogenous gibberellin contents. So that is the correct answer for this question. So the correct option is 3. Question number 69. Select the option with the correct identification of structures labeled by alphabets A to F in the given diagram of the human skull. They asked to find out the parts from A to F. For this, the correctly matched one is second one, C, occipital condyle, D, zygomatic bone, E, mandible. So these parts are correctly matching with the given labeled parts. So the correct option is 2. Question number 70. In AECA. The answer is a kind of lectin. The correct option is 4. Which of the following is pollinated by water? There are given 4 plant species. From that, which one is pollinated by water? The answer is Geostra. Option 4. Geostra pollination takes place by water. It is generally called as hydrophilic pollination. Question number 72. Which of the following tissue is absent in vascular bundles of monocot stem? The answer is cambium. Cambium is absent in monocotyledons. So due to the absence of cambium in monocotyledons, the vascular bundles are general bundles. So the correct option is 1. Question number 73. In humans, placenta is derived from. The answer is placenta is derived from chorion. It is a kind of layer. So the correct option is 4. Question number 74. Select the correct option A, B, C and D given in the figure with respect to the relative contribution of various greenhouse gases to global warming. Here they asked to find out the gases which are responsible for greenhouse effect, generally called as global warming. So the answer is A. In the given diagram, A represent NO2, B represent chlorofluorocarbon, C represent methane CH4, D represent carbon dioxide. According to the diagrammatic representation, carbon dioxide is more responsible for global warming. So the correct option is B. That is 2. Question number 75. Which one of the following is the correct match of events occurring during the menstrual cycle? Here there are 4 processes are given. For this question, the correctly matching event is the development of corpus luteum, secretory phase, and increased secretion of progesterone is a correctly matched statement. The development of corpus luteum, secretory phase, and increased secretion of progesterone. So this is the correctly matched statement during menstrual cycle. So the correct option is 3. Question number 76. You are given tissue with its potential for differentiation in artificial culture. Which of the following pairs of hormones would you add to the medium to secure shoots as well as roots? So the auxin and a cytokinin. Auxin and a cytokinin very much used in the field of tissue culture to promote shoot system as well as root system at equal concentration. So the correct option is 2. The region where the exine is. The answer is absent. Where the exine is, option is 4. Wherever the germ pores are present, their exine is absent. Question number 78. Actinomorphic flowers, bicarpellary ovary with oblique septa and fruit is capsule or berry are characteristic feature of family. So generally these type of character found in the family Solanaceae. So the correct option is 4. 61 codons code for 20 types of amino acid. This characteristic is known as, the answer is degeneracy of genetic code is generally called as degeneracy. Question number 80. How many types of gametes will be produced by a plant having the genotype capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, capital C? So totally there are 2 types of gametes will be produced from this genotype. Question number 81. Smoking, it produces polycyclic aromatic compound. Smoking addiction, it is one of aromatic compound. So the correct option is cancer. All gymnosperm species facing extinction is, the answer is around 31 species. From gymnosperms, around 31. Question number 83. Interspecific hybridization is the mating of, the answer is 2 different related species is called as interspecific hybridization. So the correct answer is option 2. Question number 84. Variety of cowpea resistant to bacterial blight is, the answer is Pusa komal. It is a variety of cowpea resistant. Question number 85. Which ion help in opening and closing of stomata? For this question, answer is potassium. Potassium plays a vital role during the opening and closing of stomata. So the correct option is 4. Question number 86. Tobacco mosaic virus, generally called as TMV genes are. Answer is single stranded RNA. Tobacco mosaic virus genes are made up of single stranded RNA. So tobacco mosaic virus is an example for RNA virus. So the correct option is 2. Question number 87. Which of the following is not the application of PCR? PCR means polymerase chain reaction. So the correct answer is detection of antibodies synthesized against pathogens. Option 4 is the answer for this question. So this is not the application of polymerase chain reaction. So the correct option is 4. Question number 88. Pneumatic bones are expected to be found in, the answer is pigeons. Pneumatic bones are otherwise called as air-filled bones. Else to fly, pigeon. Question number 89. The tendency of the body to manifest a characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndrome. If a alcohol is abruptly discontinued is called as. The answer is dependence. For this question, the correct option is 2. It is a tendency of body to manifest a characteristic and 2. Question number 90. Which among the following can be seen in the ultrasection of both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells? The answer is ribosomes. Ribosomes are the only cell organelle present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In prokaryotes it is 70S, but in eukaryotes it is 80S. Thank you very much for listening our video sheet which we discussed now. From that totally there are 90 questions are given. We are marked for all 90 questions. So the correct answer is